Hey, are you in the lawn care industry starting out and you see various marketing strategies, whether that's social media marketing, going door hangers, or going door to door, but you do not have a key strategy that you can implement across the board and gain success in gaining your first 100 customers? Then this video is for you. I'm going to discuss a flawless strategy that you're going to be able to use to start getting clients today, whether that's be using Facebook, whether that's going to be using, like I said, going to door to door, or passing out flyers and door hangers. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Isaac Bjork with To Be Green Consulting, and I've started this channel for helping guys just like yourself who are starting out in the industry and you're bombarded by all this information, all the other influencers, all the other business advice, but you do not know what exactly is true, what you should follow, and how to succeed. I was in your situation as well. I was starting out in high school and I was searching desperately for somebody who I could follow, somebody who I could learn from. Okay, then this video is for you. Before I get started though, I want to let you know that I just opened free enrollment for the month of June for my lawn care business mastery program. It's going to be a program where I discuss everything. This is just a teaser. I'm talking about marketing strategy. However, in the program, I talk about what equipment you need, how to mow the lawns most efficiently, how to hire, how to set up your business on the legal end. I'm going to talk about everything in that course and everything you need to set up a business that's going to take you to $10,000 a month. Let's get started. So, how to stand out from your competition with marketing. So the different marketing strategies that you're going to use when starting out are perhaps flyers, going to door, or using Facebook and social media. Now, what do we know about these already that are going to be obvious? With flyers, you see these templates. I'm not going to talk about that. You want to advertise your service, you want to have your phone number, you want to have a couple things like licensed and insured, you want to have reliable, locally owned, those type of things. Going door to door, same thing. Your presentations, everything. How you present yourself, how you talk about the lawns. You don't dilly dally too much. You present yourself organized, so forth. Facebook, this is big. This is what you should already know. You want to be posting pictures regularly. You want to have perhaps testimonials. You want to have a Facebook page, a business page, where you express your services, you show the sort of area that you serve. That's just obvious what you want in your Facebook page. What I'm talking about is a strategy that you can use, whether that's for DMing people, whether that's for going from door to door, but it's eventually going to set you apart from your competitors because you're going to offer what they're not offering, and that's going to give you standout. What this is by offering a first free service. This is going to be excellent for lawn care, something that's recurring. And where are you going to find these individuals that you can actually message? If you want to do flyers, that's going to be easy. You'll be able to do your standard routes. Same with door to door. In terms of Facebook, and this is what gave me great success, your community, they're going to have a Facebook group. You just have to search whether that's your county community members, whether that's sometimes they're called the county uncensored, that type of thing. You're going to first post as a little advertisement. You're going to talk about yourself. You're going to talk about what service you offer. You're going to say, and for any new clients, I'm offering one first free service to show my skills, how trustworthy I am, and to help the community out. Okay? And from that Facebook group, you want to do more than just that initial post. You're going to look for guys who are active. You're going to message a bunch of guys, a bunch of people. I mean, some days I would message 100 people in a day. And some of them would lead to clients who I would be able to help out first. And some of them would say, no, I'm not interested. I already have somebody caring for my lawn. If they say that, it's fine. You say, thank you for your time. And you ask, do you know anybody else who would benefit from this offer? Okay, see how this introduces you to the community in a rapid manner and you start getting jobs. Even though they're not paying jobs to start out, you need to sort of buy some time for where you can getting a client list and get referrals. You want to do a great job and you want to show that you are able to do the job for them. This is that ending close that I just said. Do you have anybody else that perhaps would be interested in this offer? This can be used especially for going door to door and really any other one-to-one interaction that you have. Now realize this is not going to be for those of you who are in the industry for some time, just because this is going to take a lot of time, and you are going to get some guys who just get the first service and never sign you up and not be a long-term. That's okay, because that's the price you're paying. You're showing yourself as somebody who's willing to help the community, and also realize that you're competing in a service that is heavily inflated. It's heavily inflated with other competitors, and this is what you have to do to set yourself apart. Another thing, this is my favorite strategy that I use. However, for some of you guys who are in the industry, I also want to help you out. And how I stand out from my competitors is I offer what's called a lawn care package. This includes all the obvious things such as the mow, trim, and blow, and edge. Those are obvious things, but also includes some hedge work, hedge trimming, perhaps some small yard cleanup. And I would charge this on a monthly basis, and it allowed me to sort of sell my services in a different manner than my competitors. I was able to sell as a whole wide array of everything that the client's going to need, and that shows them that, wow, this guy's different. He can take care of everything. I'm not going to need to search around for somebody else, and I know he does good work. Again, this is, if you're just introducing this to your client, you're going to be able to sell this using the same strategy I told you about Facebook. If you're mowing the lawn currently and you see a small tree that needs to be taken out, hey, Mrs. Jones, I want to introduce you to this new package that I'm putting together for your property, where I'm going to take care of everything. And for example, I would take care of that tree that's leaning over that needs to be cut down. How about I take care of that tree for free to show you what exactly this package would include? And that just gives them a teaser, and people have a sense that they're getting free work, which they are. And also, this is sort of the mindset piece behind how this tactic works. It is shown that we often as a society do not want to be in debt to somebody else. So when we have a need to return on that favor. I'm not saying that you want to expel this sort of mindset hack, but that shows you why this tactic is so strategic and is so effective. So now at the end of this video, you see exactly how you can stand out from your competitors. Now, for this to work, you need the standards, like I said, to be clean, to be dependable, to be reliable, on time, have decent equipment, be clean, be respectful, be organized. All these different things. These are basics that go into a lawn care business that I didn't even discuss, because they need to be obvious for any strategy, any marketing strategy to work out. So when starting out, any marketing strategy that's effective, it's going to need to give you a large amount of flow of potential prospects that are going to come in, and you need to appeal to them using a free service. This is what helped me when I was starting out in high school, and it can help you as well. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I have a free program that I just opened up for the month of June, the Lawn Care Business Startup Mastery Program, and that's going to be linked down in the description below, where you're going to book a call, an interview with me, a free one-to-one consultation about how I can transform your business to $10,000 a month. This has been Isaac Bjork with 2B Green Consulting. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.